I'm Chef Kalel of Raintree Restaurants. I'll be cooking Asian recipes that are easy to cook in the house. So for your last dish, this is called Spicy Tuna Wonton. So we have pre-fried wonton already. You can just buy this in any grocery. Usually it's in a vegetable section. Fresh tuna, onions, tomato, seaweed, and furikake. You can buy this in a Japanese grocery. If you don't have this, you can just substitute it with nori. And then this is Japanese mayonnaise and sriracha. Just mix it together. Add the tuna. Layer the tuna first on top of our fried wonton. Add the onions, tomato. Add the tuna again. Let's add the seaweed. And let's top it with a furikake. So this is an easy 3-minute dish. So my advice is don't be afraid in exploring. Try to innovate, try to research, try to look for recipes that can apply to your daily life. I'm Chef Kalel of Raintree Restaurants.